often. You can see here, this is our P7. This is our biggest modular capsule home. And this is our balcony. Tinted glasses, double tinted glasses. You can come close, take a look at that. And outside is aluminum. And for installation, you see there's a 6 very thick 30 centimeter by 30 centimeters metal plate that you can drop into your foundation. So those can be set as a temporary or permanent. You can put in a concrete slab or 6 individual concrete, I would say pilot. And the outside window, the outdoor window, you can upgrade to 3-layer glasses. You can add more insulation. Standard comes with 2 layers. So all the curtain can automatically track. We're going to show you later in the interior as well. And we're moving on. I just want to show you guys a little bit. This is going to be the air conditioning hookup. And you got an electronic hookup there too. And those going to be the water intake and the sewer. You can see the sewer line. There's a gray water, black water sewer line separation. We're about to lift the whole entire capsule home and drop in the foundation. So the house weighs around 10 tons. So roughly around, I would say 20,000 pounds. So it's pretty heavy, very sturdy. This unit is around 400 square footage. It's pretty spacious. It got a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. You can upgrade, have a kitchen. And this comes with a balcony. At night time, some of the features can be light up. And if we go the other side, you can see the front door has a fingerprint openings.